tutoring video. If you like what you see, go ahead and like this video, share this video. We are a nonprofit 501c3, so if you feel like donating to our cause, we would greatly appreciate that. I want to share this quote, this idea. This is by Dr. Shanahan. He's an educator coming out of Chicago. In his book called Leveled Reading, Leveled Lives. And essentially, he's arguing that in a lot of public schools for a long time now across the country, they've been assigning readers in school to leveled books, essentially where children can read their just right book. And again, you've heard me talk about this, right? As it pertains to easy reads, right? So that kids get used to the natural cadence and rhythm of reading as a way to improve fluency, though, right? Not as a way to progress through all of your education, right? And again, I always emphasize you must be exposed to grade level text. Dr. Shanahan obviously conveys that same idea clearly. And so what he is saying is that this approach of teaching by limiting students to their just right ability, as opposed to setting the standard for their grade level text, for example, sometimes, like I was at this fifth grade class and they were reading a fourth grade level book, Matilda. And his idea is like, hey, we shouldn't be doing that. Fifth graders need to be exposed to fifth grade content. And he quotes, this approach constrains the amount of teaching by severely limiting the gap between what students can already do and what instructional texts necessitate. Essentially, by lowering the standard, educators don't have to teach as much for the students to reach the higher standard. But if you have fifth grade students, and of course, they're coming to your class with a wide range of ability, from students reading on second grade level, third grade level, so a few sixth, seventh grade level, right? But again, keep the standards high. That way you can teach to the text and then scaffold to the students that are not at that ability. What strategies and skills do they need to obtain so that they can read and comprehend at that ability? Okay. And for the students that are even more advanced, right, then of course expose them to even higher level text. But that's something as a parent, we at Joyce Tutoring would even ask you to inquire about, hey, my child's at fourth grade. Are the books that he's reading, are these fourth grade level books? If you don't want to go that route, just ask, hey, what book are they reading? And you can look it up, right? There's resources like Lexile.com. I could share that link with you in the description. But the very important to be aware. And if not saying you have to do anything, switch schools. No. Again, Joyce Tutor, we're a supplemental source. So we're here to aid and add to whatever the parents, educated, whatever y'all are already doing. Okay. So if we know that my child may be in fourth grade and they're reading a second grade level book in school, okay, now I got to go to the library and I got to get two or three fourth grade level books so that we can work on this at home. Okay. This is urgent. This is urgent. It won't happen to you. You got to be intentional and deliberate. You got to go after it, right? What are we going after? We're going after our children's mastery of reading and writing, where you could put any text in front of them and they could work to comprehend what's in front of them. It's not going to be instant, but we could teach them the comprehension strategies to decipher what the text is conveying. They are capable. All right. May the Lord be with you. I'll see you at the next video.